Cultural competence involves knowledge of the history and patterns of oppression experienced by cultural and ethnic groups and the traditions and values of those groups. Social work agencies serve many different types of people. Social workers deal with people of different races, ethnic groups, and colors. The social workers must be sensitive and understanding of the different traditions, morals, and values of those various types of people. Social workers must also take precaution when helping those of a specific gender who prefer a different gender identity. Social workers are not there to judge and offend others. They are there to help. Age of clients will vary. It is important to keep one's age in mind because younger people are typically not as aware of the world they live in and are also less exposed or able to get resources for themselves. Marriage can also be a sensitive subject. A single mother or father raising a child on their own is much different than a two-parent family. Single parents oftentimes need more available resources. Some people's political beliefs are against government assistance. As a social worker, one must let clients know that occasional and limited help is okay until they can get back on their feet. Various religions may have different regulations for its beliefs. It is important to not put pressure on the wrong subjects within a religion. It is also important not to offend people. Social workers are not there to be tattletales on people. It is not their job to turn in illegal immigrants. It is simply a social worker's job to help in whatever way is needed. Social workers must help everyone willing to get help without discrimination. Physical and mental disabilities must be taken into consideration when considering not only one's ability to understand what they need to do, but also their physical ability to complete the necessary task. Social workers must respect all types of diversity. It is important for social workers to respect the decisions of the professional and/or support staff of agencies. Everyone is working towards a common goal of helping the client. Teamwork without discrimination is very vital. The purpose of affirmative action policies is to bring equality to all people of diversity. Sometimes it is not the client's fault that they are in a tough situation or going through hardships. To stop discrimination, non-discrimination laws were put into effect. People could not be judged by their race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. Discrimination continued. Therefore, those who lost discrimination cases in court were forced to engage in affirmative action policies, which required targeted outreach to minorities. Steps an agency can take in order to better serve diverse groups is to educate social workers and employees. They must know and understand various cultures and values. They can also implement diversity protection rules within an agency in order to have the ability to help various kinds of people without offending them. Employees should also practice these rules in order to improve their understanding and in order to better serve clients of diversity.